Once upon a time, deep within an emerald green forest, there lived a peacock known for his gorgeous emerald green tail feathers. He was so proud of his feathers that he would preen and pose all day long, admiring his reflection in the nearby lake. One day, the peacock was preening his feathers as usual when a wise old owl hooted, "Why do you spend all your time admiring yourself, little peacock? You'd be much happier if you spent more time doing something worthwhile." The peacock stopped his preening and said, "How can you say that? My feathers are beautiful, and it is important to take time to appreciate beauty, don't you think?" The owl replied, "Beauty is important, little peacock, but there is more to life than just that. It is good to do something worthwhile with your time. You could, for example, plant a tree, and in a few decades you would have created something truly beautiful." The peacock considered this for a moment. "Well, that is true, but I am a bird. I fly around all day long, and I don't exactly have thumbs or green thumbs, so I couldn't possibly plant a tree." The owl smiled knowingly. "There is something else you can do that doesn't require thumbs. Have you noticed how drab and gray the walls of the forest are? They could certainly use some color. Why don't you paint them? With your beautiful green feathers, you could make the forest walls the most beautiful sight to behold." The peacock thought this was a splendid idea. "I have been admiring my feathers for a reason. They are the perfect shade of green in just the right texture to make a fabulous paint. I will make the whole forest beautiful." And with that, the peacock got to work. He started painting the forest walls with his feathers, making them the most beautiful shade of green imaginable. All the animals came out of their homes to watch him. They'd never seen anything like it. After a few days, the peacock finished painting the forest walls and took a bow. The animals clapped and cheered. Even the owl was impressed. "Well done, little peacock. You have made the forest a much more beautiful place." But then something strange happened. A young deer stepped forward and said, "It is wonderful that you have painted the walls green, Mr. Peacock, but we can't see through the green. It's so dark in here now. Can't you paint the walls a lighter color?" The peacock looked at the walls. He had only thought about how beautiful his feathers would look on the walls, but he hadn't considered how dark green would make the forest. Feeling bad, the peacock asked, "What color would you like me to paint the walls?" "White," said the deer, "would be lovely." So the peacock started painting over the green with white paint. After a few days, the forest walls were once again a brilliant white, even more beautiful than before. All the animals cheered. This time the peacock felt very good about himself. He had made the forest beautiful and the animals happy. From that day on, the peacock continued to paint the forest walls every year. He would paint them green for the spring and summer, and then in the fall, he would paint them white to let the light back in. And so the animals of the forest lived happily ever after, thanks to the peacock who painted the forest walls. The end.